Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you a full guide to accessibility features on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, enter Settings and find Accessibility Features here. We have Screen Reader, which is TalkBack. TalkBack provides spoken feedback so you can use your device without looking at the screen. It's helpful for people who have difficulty seeing the screen. You can enable it here and also enable the shortcut. We also have display settings. Select to speak, display size and text, color and motion, extra dim, and magnification. In interaction controls, we have accessibility menu, switch access, timing control, system controls, and vibration and haptics. In caption, we have live caption and caption preferences that you can enable and change to your liking. In audio, we have audio description, flash notification, hearing devices you can connect, and audio adjustments. Also, in general, we have accessibility shortcuts and text-to-speech output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.